In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WP travel engine trip to another page in WordPress. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps, even if you're just getting started with WordPress or the WP Travel Engine plugin. To begin, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all your site's content and settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section on the left sidebar. Here, you have the option to either add a new page or simply edit an existing one, depending on where you want the trip to appear. After selecting or creating a page, you'll use Elementor to input the shortcode for your trip. Elementor is a powerful page builder that allows for easy drag and drop creating, making it a favorite for many WordPress users. With Elementor open, look for the shortcode widget. You'll find it among the many other widgets available. Just drag this shortcode widget onto the page where you want your trip information to appear. Next, it's time to enter the WP Travel Engine trip shortcode. The shortcode you need to use looks like this: WP Travel Engine trip ID 23. Replace the 123 with the specific trip ID for the trip you want to display on your page. If you're not sure what your trip ID is, you can find it by browsing through your list of trips on the WP Travel Engine dashboard. Once you've entered the correct shortcode with the appropriate trip ID, it's crucial to save your changes. If you're creating a new page, you'll hit Publish, and if you're editing an existing one, you'll click Update. This ensures all your changes are recorded and implemented live on your website. Now that you've added and saved the trip information, it's time to see your work in action. Visit the page on your website where you've added the trip shortcode to confirm everything looks as expected. Seeing the trip displayed correctly is always a satisfying moment, as it means you've successfully integrated your travel offering into your website page. And that's it! By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently showcase various trips from the WP Travel Engine on any page within your WordPress site. Whether you're promoting a new travel itinerary or updating existing ones, this method provides flexibility and control over how you present travel experiences to your audience. Thank you for watching and following along. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials.